This video teaches you how to copy a program on a Fanuc Oi MD. It's not the same as all other Fanucs. There's so many different Fanuc controls, and they all have these different ways of doing things. Anyway, this one, to copy a program, what you do is you actually hit the paste button. You press the paste button, and then you will be pressing this SPC PRG button. But before you press that, you need to input the program number. So you're going to press the paste button, and then this SPC prog, if you just press it, you get this alarm which is telling you that you haven't given it a number. So we press paste, but now I'm going to first of all start by creating a new program 27, and then I put program number 1 and pressed it. So that's now took the contents of program 1 and put it into program 27, and there you can see program 1, what's actually in there. So what you do is you create a new program, then that's the program that you're actually in at the time, and then you press the paste button, then the SPC PRG button. But before you press that, you tell it where you're going to get this with this information from, and it copies that straight into there. So please like and share this video. So, well, assuming you do like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ding the bell to get notifications when I put new videos on. Obviously check out all the other videos that I've made on here. Oh, one other thing, don't forget to comment below, and don't forget to visit my website, cnctrainingcentre.com. If you leave any comments, I'll try to answer any of your questions or discuss whatever it is you want to discuss. Thanks again for watching.